The Swaziland Basketball Association, which had no sponsor for its league for some years, received a sponsorship valued at 250,000 emalangeni for this coming season. The sponsorship was presented by Swazi MTN at the MTN headquarters at Zulwini. We have a report.
Over the past few years, the Swaziland Basketball Association didn't have any sponsor to support its league, which left the players from different teams with the burden of paying subscription fees, which were then used to run the local basketball league. A few days after Swazi MTN sponsored the Swaziland Music Awards, the company has once more came on board with the Swaziland Basketball Association, where they agreed to sponsor their upcoming league with an amount valued up to 250,000 emalangeni. The sponsorship was presented to the association by the CEO of Swazi MTN, Ambrose Dlamini, at the company's headquarters in Zulwini, where he said they are happy to welcome basketball to the other sporting course they are already sponsoring in the country.
And sponsoring basketball is the second new ground that we are breaking this year. Yes, we have supported other sporting courts in the past and are so proud of the investment we've made so far. People know MTN as the main supporter of soccer through the PLS, and yes, we are the biggest soccer sponsor in the kingdom, and that's why we're now expanding and looking at other sporting courts to also support.
The president of the Swaziland Basketball Association, Nhlanhla Maphanga, says running a league without a sponsor has always been their greatest challenge, and now that MTN has come on board, they will even be able to send teams to compete out of the country.
The league has been a voluntary league up to this time, and all the players and officials only used what little resources they had to get this league going. So the sponsorship now has come at such an opportune moment for this league, in the sense that now we can worry less about using that affiliation money to pay for the league. We can now use that money to create better opportunities for the league winners and the league itself, in terms of capacitating, training coaches, training referees, and even hopefully sending a team, the league champions, to the Africa Club Championships.
Swazi MTN has already been sponsoring soccer, golf, cycling, and welcoming basketball has made it the fourth sporting court they are sponsoring. Reporting for Swazi TV Sports, I'm Solisani Mabuza at Partizum CB at Zulwini.